If you are limited on the funds, this one's for you. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. It's so rude of me. I'm just a person with excessive excitement around skincare and multiple mental health issues. Hello everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hyram. It's back to school season! I don't know why I'm crying. I don't even go to school anymore. Because I'm a dropout baby. So learn from my example. Don't drop out of school. It is unfortunately back to school season. And I know a lot of you guys are probably really depressed about it. But you know what fixes depression? Not skincare. But I feel like it helps even a little bit. I don't know. If you haven't already started school, you are about to start school. Which means that your skin could use a good fresh glow up as you enter this new chapter of your life. A chapter of stress, despair, overwhelming feelings of doom. You know, the normal. School can be very stressful. And the last thing I want is for your skin to experience some of that stress, aka breakouts, dryness, redness, irritation. So I'm going to give you some tips and tricks and affordable product recommendations so that you can make sure this school season your skin is looking glowy, clear, all without cleaning out your bank account or going into even more student debt.
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
As usual, all the products I'm going to be mentioning are listed in the description box below if you do want to support my channel, but no pressure as always whatsoever. Let's do this! Alright students, class is in session.
Listen up.
Here is how to skincare, you crusty bitch.
Numero uno.
Cleansing. Unfortunately, you can't cleanse yourself of the bullshit from school, but you can keep your pores clean. Here's how to properly cleanse your skin. Cleansing is one of those things that you just gotta do. Because think about your poor old skin. Not only does it have to deal with your nasty ass going to classes, sports teams afterwards, all the sweat, the parties. Just kidding, you're a good student. You would never go to a party. Your skin goes through a lot every day, right? And you need to make sure you're cleansing every morning and every night. So the important thing is being able to find a good cleanser that will be able to remove all of it, all without breaking the budget, ideally, right? And as I was preparing for this video and looking at every drugstore cleanser out there, I'm just gonna be honest, it's hard to find that perfect balance within a cleanser. I highly recommend the Selfless by Hyram Centella and Green Tea Daily Gel Cleanser, which I'm gonna use right now and lead you through how you can properly cleanse your skin to make sure that your skin is back to school ready. So first, get that shit wet. Make sure your face is fully damp. Then take about a blueberry size amount of cleanser into your fingers, massage all over your hand, and scrub a dub-dub. Just massage in circular motions all over your face and your neck. Spend about 30 to 60 seconds massaging it into every part of your face and then rinse off. Then just pat your skin dry and you're good to go. Now this cleanser is great for like combination skin or if you're brand new to skincare, but if you already know what skin type you are, other cleansers I recommend for dry skin, the Aveeno Calm and Restore Gel Cleanser, a great cleanser that works to really moisturize your skin, or if you have oily skin, the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Purifying Cleanser. Great to get that excess oil off your face for a drugstore price. So cleansing's down! But what's the next step, students? You don't remember? You didn't do your homework? Y'all need to pay attention, be f***ing for real.
Number two.
Treatment, aka exfoliant, aka dissolving the dead skin cells off your face, making your skin more glowy, and increasing your grades. Just kidding, you tell me nothing's gonna help with that. Here's how to properly treat and exfoliate your skin. Okay. Let's talk exfoliants. Now, if the exfoliating game is new for you, don't worry, it sounds super freaking complicated. But to break it down, your skin is constantly producing brand new baby skin cells. But if you're not removing the old skin cells from your face, then your skin is just gonna look like a dull pile of crap. Sorry, it's not my fault. Your skin isn't gonna have that dewy, glowy, beautiful appearance because all those brand new baby skin cells are gonna be trapped under just a pile of dirt, sweat, and the tears and misery from school. Trust me, I know. I've been there. And one of the most important steps in a skincare routine, and my personal favorite step, is exfoliating, because this is where you can see the really dramatic results. How you'll get rid of your breakouts, acne, get that dewy skin that everybody fucking has on TikTok. So my main recommendation would be to use an overnight exfoliant, something that you can slap on your face before you go to bed and wake up with new refreshed skin. And there's two really affordable ones that I love recommending. The first is the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. This one is literally $6. Does a great job of clearing all that shit and can be used, I'd say 3 times a week. If you're extra adventurous, I'd say 4 times a week, but great affordable product. Or if you want a more deluxe experience without breaking the bank, the Inkey List PHA Toner is an awesome one, particularly if you have sensitive skin that you'll be able to use more frequently. Exfoliate that bitch. But very gently removes the dead skin cells from your face. If you... Oh, fuck my life. I literally charged that.
1 hour later.
Yes, you struggle with breakouts, acne, clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, any of that type of stuff, then exfoliation is an absolute must in your skincare routine. Just make sure that you don't use these bad boys during the day because they will make your skin sensitive AF to the sun. Now that we have that down, let's move on with the material. I'm definitely going to be blurring my feet because of all you nasty motherfuckers. You ain't getting that for free. And number 3, moisturizing. And no, the tears from each of your school meltdowns don't count as proper moisturizing. You need an actual product. Here's how to do it. Okay, so let's talk about moisturizer, right? Now you might be rolling your eyes to the word moisturizer thinking, I don't need that. And hold up, my friend, that is exactly how I used to think too. You see, I have oily skin. And for a long time I was like, do I even need moisturizer? Like, what's the fucking point? Turns out, even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is still something that you need to be doing just to make sure that your skin stays hydrated, fresh, and doesn't age like a raisin. Extra raisin points if you're white. But not to worry, there's some great moisturizers out there. The first one being one of my favorites, the CeraVe PM Moisturizing Lotion. It's an affordable one that's very lightweight, but still gives a nice protective layer over the surface of your skin. So whether you have dryness or oiliness, you can do both. But I can guess that by this point in the video, you guys are like, ooh, the skincare routine moolah is adding up.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Totally understood, and there's a way around moisturizer. Not many people know that most sunscreens out there are basically moisturizers. They just have sun-resistant ingredients in them, right? So technically, you can have a little 2-in-1 magic, baby. I don't necessarily recommend this to everyone because it is better to have a moisturizer, but if you are limited on the funds, this one's for you. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. It's over to me. So if you do want to find a good moisturizing sunscreen, I highly recommend the Beauty of Josie on SPF 50 sunscreen. I have talked about this in so many videos. It is confirmed that it is your guys' #1 most favorite. What the hell am I talking about? I need to go back to school for grammar. Not only is it certified TikTok viral, it has 0 white cast, but it also has a nice moisturizing effect that's perfect if you want that nice balance of a moisturizing experience, but also the necessary sun protection you need every day. Plus, it's from Korea, which automatically makes it 100 times cooler than anything that's made in the USA. So whether you decide to get a moisturizer or you decide to go the 2-in-1 route for sunscreens, I got you covered for FREE, baby. Well, not the skincare products. I can't give those away to you for free. Call me selfish. Anyway, moving on. And finally, number 4, sunscreen, which would be an important step if you were to ever step outside, but let's be honest, you're going to be inside studying all day and night, so this doesn't really apply. I'm just joking. I'm going to assume that even when you are cooped up inside studying, you'll still be by at least some window light, which means you need some sunscreen. And here's what to do. Okay, whores. So you have your morning skincare routine, right? Good to go. Check that off of I'm a good boy list. But see, there's this thing called reapplying your sunscreen, and it is a pain in the grand old buttocks. Nobody likes it. I know I never have. But the problem with sunscreen is that it doesn't last all day. And especially if you're one of the students like I was who had an outdoor campus, let alone windows in your classroom, you're still gonna get sun damage, mijo. It's the facts of life. Reapplying your sunscreen is always a pain in the ass because sunscreen is not the most pleasant thing to apply. I would know. I've tried damn near every sunscreen on the planet, and it's always a creamy, wet, moist.
Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Where am I going with this? It's just not something that you want to be doing at school in the middle of the day, right? Until I found a brand new bestie, this stick sunscreen. The Beauty of Josie on SPF 50 sunscreen. I've been talking about this one nonstop lately because it truly just completely revolutionized the sunscreen reapplication game. Let me tell you, bitch. This shit right here makes it so easy to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day, particularly if you are at school because you don't have to use your fingers at all. You know your nasty fingers that are accidentally touching the gum underneath your school desks? Yeah, those are no bueno for the face. With this one, you just roll it up right here, glide it across your face, and there's literally no white cast. Look at it. It's beautiful. I'm not even kidding. I discovered this product about 2 weeks ago and I've been using it every fucking day. Sorry, I won't get so violent. Every day because it's so freaking good. And the best part about it is that this shit is only $10 because it's an incredible Korean skincare product, and Korean skincare is light years ahead of the USA. So whether you just want to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day, or you have a darker skin tone, or you even want to apply, ooh. Okay, that's never happened before. Okay, note to everyone out there, don't swing this product around. Or even if you want to apply your sunscreen over makeup, this is such a good product for it. And being that it's only $10, it is such a good bang for your buck to make sure that your skin is protected while you're going from class to class, sitting by the window, doing sports after school. And you might be thinking, Hyram, why are you so freaking dramatic about this stick sunscreen? Because 90% of premature aging is due to sun exposure alone, let alone the sun making every single other issue in your skin 100 times worse. Acne, dark spots, dryness, redness, the whole shebang. And this freaking product right here makes it so easy to make sure that your skin is protected throughout the day. No, this is not sponsored. I'm just a person with excessive excitement around skincare and multiple mental health issues. Class is dismissed. I meant to slide off screen. So to recap, you gotta cleanse, you gotta exfoliate, you gotta moisturize, and you gotta use a sunscreen. Are we clear? So I hope all of these back to school recommendations were at least a little bit helpful. Maybe have steered you in the right direction or even planted the seed of taking care of your skin and your mind. I just want to be of help. I hope these products and tips can make your life a little bit easier and give you even just a few moments a day of that important self-care meditative skincare experience. And like I said before, if you do want to support the channel and get any of the products that I recommended, you can find them all linked in the description box below. Do you have any future videos you want to see? Make sure you comment them down below because I'm always reading your guys' requests. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.